Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make Google Chrome your default browser, and here's how it is done. First, ensure that Google Chrome is installed and updated to the latest version. To do this, head to the App Store, search for Chrome, and check if there's an update available. I've already installed it, but there's an update pending, so I will quickly update it now. Once Chrome is ready, here's what you need to do. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down to the App section, and locate Chrome. Tap on it to open its settings page. Select Default Browser app. By default, Safari is set as the browser, as indicated by the checkmark next to it. To switch to Chrome, tap on it. You will see the checkmark move to Chrome, confirming that it is now set as your default browser. And that's everything you need to know about how to make Google Chrome your default browser. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.